In this video, we will discuss how to work with map method in ASP.NET Core HTTP request processing pipeline. Please watch our previous videos where we discussed how to work with run, next and use methods in ASP.NET Core web application. If you want to insert some middleware logic for some specific URL, in this scenario, we can use map method in any type of ASP.NET Core application. Now, let me add a map method here, app.map. Now, let's see the definition of this map method. Right click, go to definition. Here, expand this, see the summary. Branches the request pipeline based on matches of the given request path. If the request path starts with the given path, the branch is executed. Else the middleware simply ignored. This method is used to get branches for the HTTP middlewares. Branch will work based on the URL that we passed in the request. If it find a proper match, then this branch will get execute. Suppose if there is no match found, the code will be ignored completely. Here in startup class, okay, I want to write some code here. Test map. In the second parameter, I need to pass configuration. Let's add new method here. Method name will be map custom code. In Visual Studio, we can do like this to create method. Right click, then click quick actions and refactorings, then click generate method. So if there is a match for this URL, okay, then this code will get execute. Let's add some code in this method. Here we are using I application builder. This is coming from here. Also we are using same parameter I application builder. Okay, keep the name as same. Okay, replace this with app. So we can use the same variable here. Inside this, we can use this code, this one. So copy it from here, paste it. Here change the output text hello from map. Okay, that's it. Now save and run this application. You can see here there is no change in middleware output. This is because the incoming request URL doesn't include the path, this path test map that we added here. Okay, go to the browser as per so the incoming request URL doesn't include the path, the test map as part of the URL. So let's modify the URL here. Now append test map here, then press enter. Now you can see we have the message from custom middleware hello from map. See here, the request will come into first middleware, then this code will get execute, then it goes to the next method. The request will travel from first middleware to next middleware, that is map method. Here we have the exact match test map, okay, URL. With this URL, so the code that we have written inside this custom middleware, this code will get execute. Remember, this will execute as a separate branch. So a new separate branch will create for us. Now in this method, this code will get execute. Here we don't have next method. So the branch execution is completed. So it will return from this method to again this first middleware. Okay, here then execution of this second part of this first middleware will get execute. This is how we can use map method in ASP.NET Core web application. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you there in next video.